现在开始对吗？Okay. This is our single pass digital printing machine. We now walk around the machine first to check whether any obstacles, any blocking materials to hinder the operation of the machine. That's the first point. And now we can check the hardware before we use this machine to have your work, have your print. First, we have to open the print head room to check the status of the print head. And we can open the light of the printing head operation room to check. What we have to check is the tube. Any leakage of the ink here. Check the status of the tube. So that's confirmed that there is no leakage. And then we can open the main power of the machine. And then you see there is a light. The indicator light showing that they are ready and they can operate. And then we can take the printing material, the paper, to check the status of the print head. How to check? Now we show you. We can move the paper inside and then can shake it. And then after that, we can press this button for checking. You see, there is a sound. We have to check four print heads to confirm that they are in order. So that's why we have to do it 4 times to check. And you see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's to check the status of the print head. Are they ready? Are they okay and no errors of the print head? And then after checking the print head and the print head status, we have to go to the back of the machine to check the paper feeding settings. We recommend you to take the printing papers first and then put it on the feeding area. And then we have to check these 2 blockers so that we confirm only one paper can enter the machine for printing. Here we can adjust. Here we confirm that this can only let one paper to get in, and the second one cannot pass to the machine. And also, we have 2 shutters to fix the position of the paper. And here you can put it on the left hand side and then pull it.
等一下，这边有一颗螺丝。
And then we can release a little bit, release the screw, and then
我们现在
turn it
这
back.
两张准备好了之后，我们就可以把其他的纸板叠上。
And also after that, confirm the status of the paper feeding system.
然后把这个
And
挖出
then
来
we can put the papers upper and upper,
还有这个
put more papers.
这样
And then after that, we can pull another paper positioning device.
稍微就是这个拉到这个位置啊，接触一点点，接触一点点。
And we can see that the position is around here, a little bit holding here, holding the paper.
然后这个
And we have another one
接触它，你看 接
to
触它
hold it,
OK，
maybe in the middle or the closer position, so that we confirm the paper can fit on a straight way.
然后这个会滑嘛，这里有一个固定的螺丝，这里
And after positioning, you can screw it and lock the position.
另外一边也是有一个啊，相同的螺丝。
And we have the same on the other side. So that's screw it and lock it so that it would not move.
Yes， 然后下面还有一个固定的，就是
And also this, the larger one, you can press the pedal to lock the position. Yeah. Another side is also just press it and then lock the position. It won't be moved. Okay. So after check the paper, after check the print head, we can
找到我们的打印软件。
we can refer to the and we can refer to the control panel of the machine first.
我们现在来调整纸板头。
We have to set two items. The first one is the height of the print head. You can press settings and then set the print head height.
然后我们先塞一张纸板进去，塞一张纸板进去。
How to check it? How to enter the data? You can put the paper again.
以什么为准呢？以这个轮子接触到它为准。就是我们拉的时候，这个轮子要跟着它转。就是这个
How to confirm is that if you push the paper inside,
就是这里。
you have to ensure that
这
the
个
wheel
这个就不行。
will be moved. But if you see only this or the back one can move, but some of them are not in motion, that's not okay. So
然后我们
we have to adjust the
降
head,
到
the printing head
60
height.
降1毫米。
Let's say
对
let's say 63, and then go to, and then the height will be adjusted.
对这就是所有的轮子都要转的。
We have to confirm all the wheels can be in motion. So this is the height setting of the print head. Okay.
然后
係咪呢個? And also we have to let the machine know how long the paper size is. So here we set around 1200 1200. That means 1.2 meters.
还有一个就是我们这个尺寸，这个这个长度，这长度要调。
对对，我知道，我刚刚就是说了。And that is showing that the length of the printing material of the paper, like this. If this is 1.2 meters long, then you have to enter 1.2 meters paper size here in the machine. And
那我们现在打开。
and now we can move to our computer to open the software For example, we can choose a image for printing first.
然后找到我们需要印刷的文档，找到需要印刷的文档，这里
Okay.
所有的文件可以选好的，然后双击，
We can open the image, the soft copy image that we would like to print.
然后我们还需要设
And
定
then
一下这
we
个
can use the in the software we have to set the length of your printing material also. It should be same as the parameters that you entered in the machine.
这个地方必须要
So that's why it's 1200 and here is around 1200. Yeah.
然后这边可以，如果需要调整这个左边的间距，
And if we have to adjust the margin of the printing image and also on the printing papers, so we can adjust here.
可以通过这里可以调整个图，然后
We can adjust the upper left corner coordinates to enter the parameters. Let's say 10 here. Let's say 10 here. So we adjust another margin space here.
OK，现在原打印。
And then we can press the print button. But after printing the print button, we have to set up how many shall our printer to print. Let's say from copies from 1 to 35, something like that. And then you can press print. The speed depends on how your computer, the settings of your computer. Let's say if your specification of your computer is very high, then it would be much more faster. So now we just only show you the brief information of it. Okay. And in the
稍微等待。
And in the meanwhile, you can check here. There should be a bar showing that's the percentage of the printing's preparation.
然后可以跟他讲解一下这个电脑的配置稍微高一点。
As previously mentioned, if your computer setting is very high, the specification is very high, then the speed would be much more faster.
可以通过这个地方，看一下这个硬件内存这些。
And because our demo machine only have 16 gigabytes RAM, so the speed is not so low. And I will ask my boss to replace this computer. Okay.
刚出到这个
Okay, and then the printing progress is here, so that if we press OK, then it will go ahead. Come on.
完了之后，我们可以通过按这个启动按键也可以，我们可以
And also, not only the software, but we can control the printing process. Start the printing process by the control panel of our machine.
这里也可以啊，这里也可以启动。
And also here, there is a several start and stop button, not only on the panel, but also here nearby the paper feeding area. And here, if necessary, we can put it up for more smooth operation of the machine. You see?
可以打印吗？
Now we are printing. And the approximate brief demonstration is here. Okay. If for emergency case, we can also press the button here and then stop it.
然后打印完了之后，我们就可以把这个
And after that, we can
取消在这里，
refer to the software.
就是任务就完成了。然后我们再讲一下关机啊。关机之前呢，我们先关闭。
And after our printing, we have to close the software
先关
first.
软件，记得。
And then remember to save if there is any
然
changes.
后再关。
And then for closing the machine, switch off. Just put here, switch off. And also here is switch off the light.
然后这些地方。
And then just pull the table down and close the door of the print head area, print head system, and also to close the machine, the front door of the machine.
这位置。哦，这位置。結尾。
什麼？
冇嘢。